We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hello friends, in this class, I will discuss about bend modifier. And the bend modifier lets you bend the current selection up to 360 degree about a single axis. You can control the angle and the direction of the bend of any three axes. You can also limit the bend to a section of the geometry. Let's move to the video to know more about it. First, select an object and go to modifier list. Select bend modifier. Next, we should change the angle parameter. Set the angle to be bent from the vertical plane. Next, we should set the direction of the bend relative to the horizontal plane. After the settings, specify the axis to be bent. By default, axis will be Z. Using limit option, you can limit the bend to a section. Depends upon the center sub-object. You can define the upper limit and the lower limit. Thanks for watching this video.